Hi friends, so in this video I will tell you a very interesting thing which is in HTML basically, and we will also apply a bit of CSS with it. So it will also help you rank your websites if you will make your websites in future using HTML. So the thing I will tell you today, so before telling it, let me tell you to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, comment below, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Also you can bookmark my web designing playlist. So this is our 22nd lesson on web designing in English. So in this video lesson I will tell you about HTML Semantic Elements. So first let me create a new file as Akshut20.html. I will now add the boilerplate and I will change the title to HTML Semantics Elements. I will add an h1 then, and in the h1 I will write the same thing as the title, HTML Semantic. I think I have written the wrong spelling. So the correct spelling is SEMANTICS. I will go here, SEMANTICS, Semantics, and now Elements. I will save it. First, the thing I will do is I will switch on the live server. As the live server is switched on, you must be able to see the screen. And now, as you can see this article. So this is a very good article on HTML semantic elements, which you will be able to see. And I will also provide this link in the description. So this is by Mozilla. So let us first discuss some very good benefits of HTML semantic elements. So search engine will consider its contents as important keywords to influence the page's search rankings. So if you will use the semantic elements, so these are the semantic elements. So they are like header, which is in the header, nav, which is for the navigation, article, which is the text we want to display mainly, footer is the footer of the web page. So like these are the semantic elements. So these will help your website rank very smoothly. It will help you ranking and using SEO in your website. Screen readers can use it as a signpost to help visually impaired users navigate a page. So before, what would happen when these semantic elements were not there? People would use div tags again and again to like make sections of header, nav, and all. But from when these are here, so viewers can navigate to the page by using these semantic elements also. So these are a block of finding blocks of meaningful code is easier than searching through endless divs. Like I told you, like there were divs before, so it was very difficult to search a part of a web page like a navigation bar or header. But when these semantic elements are here, they make it easy, and it is like easy to find meaningful code like such as header code, navigation code, footer code, and there are many more. It suggests to the developer the type of data which will be populated. Semantic naming mirrors proper custom element component naming. So you can ignore this line, it is a bit complex. So mainly it will help you in ranking and these all things. Okay, so first let's discuss semantics meaning. So what is semantics? Semantics is basically semantics. It means meaning of semantics is meaning. It is a meaning of a word. Like for example, let me search it. Semantic meaning. So I am giving you the right information, that's why I am searching again and again. So relating to a meaning in language or topic. So this semantics relates to a meaning. So like a semantic tag is header. So this is relating to the header of the web page. If one is footer, so then it is relating to the footer of the web page. If it is like article, then it is relating to the article of the web page. If it is nav, then it is relating to the navigation of the web page. So like that, we have many semantic elements. So we will also use a bit of CSS in it. First, let's discuss the first. Let's see what is the series of semantic elements. So semantic elements I will search, and then I will show a table or something like table like this. So this is an image. I will go to images. So like this is our, yes, this one is a good one. As you can see, header comes in the top. Like this is a heading, so this can come in the top in the header part. Navigation is like, let me go to the, I made a website like Codewith Akshut .ultimatefreehost.in. So I just made it for trial when I was just starting. So here, this is our navigation. Okay. So the next comes section. Section is like a particular section of a web page. Article is the main text which you want to show to the user. And the site is like where you can display the ads. So this is a section where all the other things come. Like let me show you my website only. So it is WordPress basically my website, but there are still sections in it which you can relate to HTML. So it will just load in a bit moment here. So this part is a side. It is in the side of the web page. Okay, this is the navigation. Nav. This is the header. These are all the sections. And when you will like, I will click how to write better content. So this is the whole article. So like these are semantic elements basically. This is the footer of our web page. edushiksha.in. Here comes the copyright, search and other things that you want to display, which will be in the bottom of the web page. So let's discuss first this article, or first we should just check header, so that we move from up to down, not like randomly. So the HTML header element represents introductory content, typically a group of introductory or navigational aids. It may contain some heading elements, but also a logo, a search form, an author name and other elements. Like as you can see here on my website also, here is my logo and here is the heading of my website. Here is the title of my website. So this is basically the header. Like I will copy this header. I will paste it here. I will change it to this. I will put this in this. Okay, and I will use a bit CSS in the end. So I will use header. I will use header ID. Okay, I made an ID header. I will also add a style tag here for future. So now as you can see, this is a heading displayed. I will go here. So this is the header of the website. Okay. Now I hope you understood the header. It is basically the top of the website, the which contains like the logo and the title of the website. Okay. I will paste this here in description. Okay. So it would help you when I will paste my code in my website. I will also do toggle word wrap, so it comes in a paragraph or here. Okay. So the header element represents introductory content, typically a group of introductory or navigational aids. Okay, so you must have understood header. Let's go to now navigation. I will now show you nav. Also, let me show you the main. So main is the content of the body basically. So like here comes the header and after the main content here. Okay, so we can like tell the search engine that this is the main content that the user will see. You can just ignore this. And also if you want to like learn all of these, then you can learn. I will tell you the basics of this and you can learn in detail, but you don't think that you can learn these 100% because basically in new versions these will update, so you will have to keep learning, so you can learn, but you can try till 98% or like 90% only this HTML semantic elements. But just keep in mind that you should know a bit of everything. Like if you will not know to display fixed caption and all, then how will you implement it? So these things will help me very much in web designing. So you should learn these, not 100%, but nearly to 100%. So now let's come to like this navigation. So the HTML nav element represents a section of a web page whose purpose is to provide navigation links either within the current document or to other documents. Common examples of navigation sections are menus, table of contents, and indexes. Here is a navigation menu which can navigate you to different pages. So this is basically the navigation. So I will tell you the CSS as you can see this. Okay, so I will make a nav here. So nav basically contains lists in it. Lists, ordered list which doesn't have a bullet to it. Okay, I will copy this and I will paste it here. I will change it to nav item. I am making a class. So I will do the CSS after like telling you all the things, and I will make you learn the CSS very easy. So like ref is the URL you must know, a tag, like a tag. So I will make here header and navigation article. So I will tell you what I'm doing with it. Okay, so you just see what I'm doing, and I will tell you this. Okay, paste it here. I will save it. I will remove this. I will change it to article. I will remove this. I will remove this. So as you can see, a list has been displayed here. So if I want to remove these bullets, I will go to the CSS and you can see here list type equal to none. Okay, so I will make its header ID to nav. So let me start a bit of CSS also at this point. I will first design my header. I will also add an image to it. Okay, so src will be Akshut logo. I will use this Akshut logo slash logo.png. Where my logo is displayed. Header, and I will change to height. Height I will change to let's say 200 pixel, and width to fit control, or I will remove this width. So as you can see, it is in the head, but it is still not displaying. So use I will tell you what I am doing after some time. So this is a display which can make it in one line. I will do text align center. Wait. Okay, if I will comment it and I will then do text align center, then it will work. Text align center. Okay. So this is the center. Okay, and I will also cut this. So I am just not using this flex. I will use it. So you can see the basically meaning of header. Okay, I will remove this height also. Okay, so this is our header. I will change the background color of it. Background, sorry, BGCOL, and I will change to let's say I will change it to slash SFFFF, and I will select it over it, and I will select a good color. I will save it. As you can see, this is a head. So this is not suiting our web page. I will change it to. Yes, now it is fine. So this was a header. I will add a bit padding to it. Padding bottom 20 pixels. Yes, now it is fine. So this is a head section. Now I will make a navigation. So in the navigation I will type nav. Nav. So I will duplicate this and I will type nav, which contains an ordered list, and its list type should be okay. You must be able to see list style type and nav. So the bullet has been gone. Now the thing I will do is I will change, like there are displays very much, so you can just see it, like font size I will do. I will again duplicate this, and I will do li, and I will color, and I will change its color to let's say chocolate or coral. I will add text decoration to it. I will remove text decoration. I will add text width, or it is font width. I'll change it to bold. So you must be able to see this. Okay, so now as you will be able to see this, so it will not work. I know why. So I will tell you how to work with it after some time. So first let us design it. And before designing, as you will be able to see this all. Okay. So here it is a URL, as you know. I will just show this also. So this you can see. I have used a list here, and navigation using the A tag. Okay. Now I will change it to slash head. I will change it to slash nav. I have changed it to slash nav, hash nav, and when I will click this, then it will move to the header. So if I will make my web page very big in size, then it will work. So there is a flex box which aligns everything in a line. I will use this display. Sorry, I will use inline block. Inline and block. It is not working, then I will use text. I think I need to do it in the OL one. I don't know what is the error in it. Let me just see it. So the ID was class. Okay. So then I will do this. Or simply, instead of using this, I will do dot nav dash item. As you can see now, they are in a line. Okay. I will change the padding to padding and I will do 20 pixel. I will save it. So there is a distance between them now. Okay. I will do this if it works. Text align center here, and I will change the font size to 20 pixel. I will change the background color to dark golden brown. Not there. Here. I will put it. So as you can see, this is working now. We are having a header section and a navigation bar. Let's go to now section. So I hope you must have understood the main thing, which is the header and nav. And now comes our section. So section is just a section in a web page. It is just like a div tag. Okay. So as you are able to see, div. It is same like div. Okay. So if I will add it here, then it will all just display here. Save. Equipment. It is displaying. Okay. So I will remove this. I will make a section by my own. I will add an h1 to it. So h3. In this h3 I will type what is semantics. I will make a p and I will write here semantics is basically a meaning of a word, you can say. Is basically semantics basically means a meaning of a section or something, okay, of a let's say word. I'm just writing like that. So this is our section now. We have occupied this section by this. Okay. So this is our section, as you are able to see it. Now I will go to the article tag. I will add the CSS after some time when we will complete the article and decide also. So article represents, as you can see here, it is an article, right? So it is an article represents a self-contained composition in a document or page or application or site which is intended to be independently distributable or usable. Examples like a forum post, a magazine or a newspaper article or a blog entry also. I will add an article here and I will paste. So it has used a lot of forecast. So I will use a header Who is Code with Akshut? I will again change it to H3. I will write a paragraph. Codewith Akshut a is a platform where people can learn coding and other tech things. Okay, here comes another article. Okay, so now I will use a site. I hope you have understood these section and article and these are a bit same. Okay, so an aside element represents a portion of a document whose content is only indirectly related to the document's main content. So right, this is called as sidebar. This mainly aside. So I will do. I think this battery is low. So now I will just add a side to it. I will not make it responsive now. I will write the definition of advantages of semantics. I will copy it from here and I will paste it. So I will add an H3 or H3 and I will just format it in a minute. I will add a UL I will add, and in this UL I will write some LIs, and in these LIs I will copy these one by one. I will remove this. Okay, and I will make another LI. I will copy this, paste it here. I will make another LI, copy it, paste it here. I will make another LI, paste the text. I will make another LI and paste this text. Now as you can see here, we have a side. So but it is not in a side. So we will use some CSS command. I will change its ID to a side. I will add an aside ID here and I will copy this. As you can see now, it is at the corner. It is now at the corner. It is now like a sidebar. I can resize it. Sorry, no, it is fine now. So this is a sidebar. This is an article and all. So I will you can see it is responsive also. I will make it above by adding ID to it, but before adding ID let's bring my charger. So I will just bring my charger now. Okay, so you can wait till there. I will come in now. So I am back with my charger and I will just plug it in the laptop so it doesn't get shut down in the between. Yes. Now it is fine. Now I will add an ID to it. ID article. I will add ID here. ID section. Okay. Now /section, paste this here, left, remove padding, border shadow I will remove, same from here, we'll do it 70%. As you are able to see now here, this is here and this has gone to the side. I will do the same with it for article. I will change it to article and I will save it. As you are able to see, it is a bit above now. Let me just open the developer tools and you are able to see now. This is here, this is here, this is here. So now we have learned these things. If we want to add a background to them, I will add a background color BGCOL and I will just go here. So this is RGB value. I will change it to a bit of blue. Save it. This is blue. I will change its font color. I will change it to red. I will change it to font weight bold. Okay. I will do formatting. Format. I will do the same things, but I will change FF. Okay. I will add a background color to it. BGCOL and RGB value green. Okay, so this orange is not suiting here. We'll change it to black. Yes, I will add a bit padding to them. Padding, right? I will do 20 pixel. Okay, we'll copy this, paste it here. Copy and then paste and then copy left. No, I will remove here. It is fine like this only. I will add a background to it this also. Okay, so where is my side here? I will add a background color BGCOL. Yes, now it is a bit fine. Okay, so this was this. Now I will tell you. So now I will tell you another semantic. Footer. First I will tell, then I will tell details and summary. So footer is a footer like this. Basically a footer, copyright one. Okay. I will add a footer here. Add copy. No, it was and copy. 2020 Codewith Akshut. Now we are having, okay, the footer is at the above. I will add a add some CSS also. Footer. I will not add any ID here. So it is like this here. I will now I will do float. I will check what all properties are here, and now I will just like I will do it bottom. No, there is no property like that. I will change its width to max content. No, 100%. It is now at the bottom. Okay, so you can just try fixing it. So I hope you have understood these things. Now I will like put this in a section, a main. As we discussed, a main is just like these things, which so main is basically the main content of the body. Okay, and now I will remove this 70% from this. All I am removing, and I will add this in main. In main I will change it to width 70%, and I will change it to float left. Now as you can see, this has worked, but there is a bit gap here because of the padding. Okay, so I will add a padding also here. Padding top 20 pixel, or I can say margin. Let's leave this. You can do the formatting. Okay, so our document is ready for now. It is a good one, containing all the color and all. As you are able to see, it is going up and down. Header, it is like we are at the bottom right now. I will click on the header. It will take us to the header. I will click on the nav. It will take us to the nav. So like I will update my nav also. Or I will duplicate it. I will change it to section. I will change it to a side. Now if I will click section, it will not do anything. If I will click a side, it will not do anything. Like here, it will make us take us bottom down. It will also make a footer one for your reference only, footer. But for that I need to add an ID to footer. ID equal to footer. I will change this to ID footer. I'm at the top. I click on footer. Why isn't it working? Yes, now it worked. Header, footer. Okay. This was our semantic elements. Now I will tell you about a details element. Okay, so details element is nothing but a small cap. Something small enough to escape. Casual notice. So like I will click on this details. Like it is grabbing attention of the user. Okay, I will click on this details. It is a drop down menu like thing. Okay, so I will tell you how to use this summary and details. It is very easy. If I am telling you, then you should like trust on me. If you are not trusting on me, detail. Okay, I will save it. As you are able to see details. So when I will hover, I will click on it. It will show a text, and I will click on it again. It will not hide it. So this is our details. So details will do the same thing. If I will comment it, then there will be nothing shown. Okay. So if I will comment this summary, it will show details only because the tag is detailed. So the summary basically changes the heading of this detail tag. If I will change to HTML, I will change it to hypertext markup language. HTML, I will click on it. It will show hypertext markup language. It is our detail element and summary also with it. So what is the thing which is in the summary is the heading of this details element. The thing which is outside the summary but in the details tag or element, that is shown when we click on this heading of the details. Okay, I will put another here for detail, change it to detail. So these semantic elements are very useful. If you don't think they are useful, you should use them while building website detail. Okay, so remember this thing, that whatever you will do, just think that you are doing for yourself. Okay, not for the sake of doing. Okay, I will just add some bit of formatting more in my document. Okay, and I will add an idea. So whatever you do it for yourself, not the sake for doing it. Okay, so remember this thing and keep learning by me. Okay, so our lesson is ending here. I will meet you in my next lesson, but before ending it, let me tell you to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, and comment below. Also, you can go to my website for the source code and more things. I will add this link, this Mozilla website link in my description. You can check this image also. I will add this image link also in the description. And this, I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Also, you can bookmark my playlist of web designing in English, and I will bring these type of good lessons for you in my next video lessons. So bye, and I will meet you in my next lesson.